All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's word of the day. Impulsive. Impulsive. So impulsive. Impulsive. Something you suddenly decide to do or feel. Impulsive. He is impulsive. They are impulsive when together. Yeah, impulsive when together. She is not very impulsive. He is very impulsive. Yeah, impulsive at this time of the day. Yeah, impulsive. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. So, they need to control their impulses. So, they struggle to control their impulses. It is a strong, impulsive feeling that he often gets. Yeah. So they, she, he, it. I am not very impulsive. I am in control of my emotions and actions. In control. How cool is that? Yeah. So, I used to be impulsive. Yeah, but I'm not impulsive anymore. No. All right. So she is feeling impulsive. Yeah, she might be a little impulsive. It depends on what happened in the day. Yeah, a little impulsive. Yeah. Sometimes they can be impulsive, and they might be like that tonight too. So when he is impulsive, he often does silly things that he regrets later. Oh, regret, like why? Yeah, but impulsive. Yeah, just does things as he feels it. He is sometimes impulsive and does things as he feels like. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, impulsive. So, can you use impulsive in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.